Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to report a live video in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's open up our TikTok app first. Okay, let's pause this. And so if we are going to report a live video on TikTok, we need to know a thing or two about reporting someone. And reporting someone means that you are basically going to put their accounts in a blacklist of TikTok, so which is a very bad thing for the person who you had reported. But if you found something good for reporting, I mean, which is literally bad for humankind, then you are taking this responsibility seriously. So in order to report a live video in TikTok, let's open our live. You can see the live button at the left top corner of your phone, and which says at live with the TV icon. Just tap there. And okay, you can see all these live going through. Someone are doing something on the lives, but if you want to report it, you can see the share button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the report bottom left corner of your phone. You can see the report option, and when you tap there, you will be given a bunch of options. Okay, it is all you see are a good examples for reporting, but if they don't current match these criteria, you shouldn't report the person. But unless if you want to, you can see all these reasons for reporting. And guys, I don't want to report this person because she's not currently doing any of these. And if you really want to report, you can just tap any of the given reasons, and there you have reported a live video. That's it, guys. Reporting a live video in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the video or today's topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.